Let's talk about another split that the UBD faction, the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena seems to be facing. The spotlight that is back on Maharashtra. And let's tell you about this, what is being termed as Operation Tiger. So after the TMC, the opposition alliance is set to face another setback, and this time coming in from Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena, the UBD faction. Now, the other faction, which is led by Eknath Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister, who have now claimed that there are talks with at least 6 to 7 UBD faction MPs. Total, they have about 9. That has now reached the final stage under Operation Tiger. And the full operation would be over before the monsoon session of the parliament begins about next month. Now, in this big allegation that is coming in from the UBD faction of the Shiv Sena, and this is coming in from their leader Sanjay Raut, he is now been claiming that large sums of money, as much as 15 crores, are being offered to influence the rebel MPs. Sanjay Raut has alleged that attempts are being made to buy the lawmakers, intensifying the accusations also coming in of horse trading. And he seems to be replying to Mahua Moitra of the TMC. So let's connect with Arunil. We also have Kritika joining us here on the broadcast. Rucha is also getting connected with us. Good morning to all of you. Big developments there as far as the focus will be both on Mumbai and New Delhi. So Arunil, 15 crores will be paid to the MPs, and this is coming in from Sanjay Raut of the UBD faction.
Well, this is basically a horse trading charge that has been leveled by Mr. Sanjay Raut, who's the close confidant of Uddhav Thackeray. Now, Sanjay Raut, Arvind Sawant, as well as Anil Desai, they have remained with the Uddhav Thackeray faction, and at 10 a.m. today at the residence of Sanjay Raut, they will be holding a press conference as well. In fact, a letter has also been written by the UBT camp to Speaker Om Birla. In the letter, they have objected to a separate group being formed of the MPs of the Uddhav Thackeray camp. According to the UBT camp, these MPs want to defect and they should not be entertained. This is what they have mentioned in the letter. In fact, the UBT camp is also saying that which is the real Shiv Sena. This legal tussle is already sub judice in the apex court, and before the judgment is passed, no separate group should be entertained by the Honorable Speaker as well. Now, coming to the Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena faction as well, Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde is very much in Delhi. We also understand that the 6 names that we broke yesterday, who will be defecting from the Uddhav Thackeray faction, are already in Delhi, and today at around 8:30 a.m. At the residence of Shrikant Shinde, who's the MP of Shiv Sena as well as the son of Eknath Shinde, a crucial meeting will be held to chalk out the future course of action.
So we're expecting why this is to happen. Just concise answers from all the reporters there. A big request, because these are the signs that are also coming in of further trouble that seems to have emerged within the camp of Uddhav Thackeray. Let's break that report as well. And this is coming amid the speculation that a group of the MPs from the Shiv Sena UBT faction could break away from the party. Now, in response to these reports, the party has written to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, urging him not to entertain any representatives or claims that has been made by the rebel lawmakers. Now, this is coming across as the party has argued that the dispute over the identity of the Shiv Sena and the question of the faction which represents the real or the Asli Shiv Sena is still being linked to the ongoing legal proceedings. Let's listen into their reaction.
एक बार फिर से ऑपरेशन टाइगर की खबर आप लोग तो सुन ही रहे होंगे। हमारे नेता अभी संजय राउत जी ने ट्वीट किया है कि 15-15 करोड़ रुपए में सांसद खरीदे और बेचे जा रहे हैं। बताइए, 2022 में ऐसे ही 20 जून को पार्टी तोड़ी गई थी। मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अभी लंबित है। हमने कहा है कि ये शिवसेना हमारी असली है, धनुष बाण हमारा चुनाव चिन्ह है। अब तक उसका फैसला आया नहीं, तब तक 2026 में पुनः एक बार हमारी पार्टी तोड़ने की एक साजिश रची जा रही है।
Let's connect with Rucha on this. Rucha, good morning. Will it further complicate the matters, because this faction of the UBT leaders have also written to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and saying that till the time the legal process is complete, it could complicate the matters further?
Well, this is definitely damaging for the UBT faction. The leaders, including Uddhav Thackeray, the party chief, Sanjay Raut, several other leaders were extremely confident that all 9 MPs are with them. All 9 Lok Sabha MPs will remain with UBT. But what we are seeing on the ground tells a completely different story, because since yesterday we have seen how the movement of Eknath Shinde and several other leaders, all those 6 MPs names which are out have arrived in Delhi already and who are said to be not in contact with the UBT faction. And what confirmed the rumors is the exposed by MP Sanjay Raut, where he claimed that all these MPs are being given 15 crore rupees as an advance payment. These claims were made. Several UBT leaders already have
It's
started.
also being learned that several of the UBT leaders who have been unable to contact some of their Lok Sabha MPs, with several of them reportedly their phones having been switched off. So the focus now shifts to the national capital. Let's also talk about as far as the legal trouble here is concerned. Because in this latest information suggesting that both factions, the UBT camp and the rebel camp, they are now mulling further legal options. So Arunil, how do we understand? Is it Operation Tiger versus Operation Pragati, as is being said by the Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena?
Well, there is no doubt, Amita, this is the biggest rebellion that Uddhav Thackeray is facing after the 2022 split in the party. We remember how Eknath Shinde had broken away and had gone to Guwahati. That time as well, Sanjay Raut or Uddhav Thackeray were vociferously denying it. Now as well, with reference to the letter that UBT camp has written to the speaker, it clearly is evident that there is no smoke without any fire, because developments are happening thick and fast, at least in the Shinde camp. That is the Shiv Sena camp. Yes. Eknath Shinde is very much in Delhi. He's expected to meet Speaker Om Birla with the rebel MPs, and this is coming ahead of the foundation day of the Shiv Sena. This is slated to be the 68th foundation day of the Shiv Sena. Now, what exactly Sanjay Raut wanted to say? He said that we want to launch Operation Wolf. What exactly he meant by that, or was it only a media statement to gather headlines? That is also that is again a big point of question, because Sanjay Raut or beat leaders from the UBT camp, they're always in damage control mode. They're always in a mode to protect their leaders, their MPs or their MLAs from joining the rival group.
But the very existence of the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena has come under question, because what's claiming that the undivided Shiv Sena has a legacy of over 60 years and a history of agitating for various causes, and they have seen several up and downs, but it is, as they call it, as a cadre-based party, and the MLAs and the MPs come and go, but the party remains intact. Let's see how exactly do the numbers actually stand. When we speak of Operation Tiger, Shinde Sena leaders are now openly declaring that the test has been done, the reports are in, and the diagnosis is complete. All that remains is for the date of the operation to be fixed. And if the Shinde Sena is to be believed, then the procedure of at least 7 of the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena MPs would be severing ties, and it would be over before the monsoon session of Parliament begins next month.
स्पेकुलेशन करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. ऑपरेशन टाइगर नहीं, ऑपरेशन प्रगति है. प्रगति के आधार पे हमारे नेता आदरणीय एकनाथ जी शिंदे ने काम किया है ऑन ग्राउंड. हर दम वो देखते हैं कि कैसे कार्यकर्ता को फायदा हो, नेतागण और जनता को फायदा हो. सभी जगह से लोग एकनाथ शिंदे जी के साथ और शिवसेना के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं. हमें किसी की पार्टी तोड़ने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, कोई पोचिंग करने की आवश्यकता नहीं. जो लोग प्रेरित है ऑपरेशन डेवलपमेंट के साथ वो आएंगे.
Now Operation Tiger, which is gaining momentum, and according to the top sources, a group of the rebel UBT MPs is expected to hold a crucial meeting in Delhi this morning, a move that could have major implications for the party's future in parliament. Sources indicate that the rebel MPs are scheduled to meet Shiv Sena MP Shrikant Shinde, who is the son of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. And during the huddle, which is expected in a short while from now, Eknath Shinde is also likely to be present for discussions, further fueling speculations about a possible political realignment. So Kritika, the focus that is now shifted to the national capital, the meeting that is being closely watched, because what was being said that the rebel MPs may be later meeting the Lok Sabha speaker as well.
Well, absolutely. Remember earlier as well, a minister from the Shinde Sena had in fact stated that any of the dissident MPs from the UBT faction who believe in the leadership of Eknath Shinde will in fact be welcomed into the Eknath Shinde camp. They had also stated that priority will also be given to such MPs as well as MLAs. We've already seen the same play out, whether it is with the Aam Aadmi Party former MPs or with the TMC MPs. Now what happens is, what is expected to happen in this crucial meet is that a breakaway faction will be decided. That faction will be meeting with Speaker Om Birla, and later that faction will also merge with the Shiv Sena Shinde faction as well. This is what is slated to happen. Earlier also we saw how MPs from the UBT camp, whether it is Mr. Sanjay Raut or Arvind Sawant also, were playing down in fact speculations of this imminent split. They had stated that all MPs still stay together, but it is now
delve a little bit into that, because what Kritika is trying to point out is the damage control mode that Uddhav Thackeray and his party currently seems to be on. Because what is being said that previously he called a meeting on Sunday and of the faction of the Lok Sabha MPs, but what is being said, out of the 9 of them, almost 5 of the 9 MPs actually failed to physically attend the huddle. So what is being said that later it was being speculated that they may join virtually. That did not happen. And Uddhav's lone Rajya Sabha member, which is Sanjay Raut, saying that they were all accounted for either virtually or in person. But then in a trademark style which Sanjay Raut speaks in, he's dismissed Operation Tiger as fiction, saying that Operation Bhediya or Operation Wolf is something that they are going to be launching on their own. And this is coming in from the party leaders who are of the opinion कि जिसको आना है आए, जिसको जाना है जाए.
ये सरासर गलत झूठ बात. 4 दिन पहले ये सभी सांसद शिवसेना पार्टी चीफ उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने जो मीटिंग बुलाई थी उसमें शामिल हो गए थे और सभी ने उद्धव ठाकरे जी के नेतृत्व पर विश्वास किया. अभी हम ऑपरेशन वुल्फ करने वाले हैं. हम क्या डरने वाले लोग हैं? हमारे पूरे सांसद, पूरा संसदीय दल एक साथ है, एकजुट है, मजबूत है और मजबूत रहेंगे.
उद्धव जी ने मीटिंग ली थी परसों और उसमें सारे उपस्थित थे. जो आ नहीं पाए, पहुंच नहीं पाए, उन्होंने ऑनलाइन में भी उनके साथ डायलॉग किया है और आते 2-3 दिन में सब लोग आके मिलने वाले हैं. मेरे ख्याल से ये अफवाह होगी और जिसके एक भय निर्माण करने का ये इनकी स्टाइल है.
Now this is something which you be very known exactly, because what's happening in the UBT faction is something which the TMC is also virtually staring at it. So political tensions that may have escalated across party lines, with fresh remarks being exchanged between the leaders of the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena and the Trinamool Congress in the wake of the allegations of horse trading or poaching and the controversy that has been triggered after comments made by Trinamool MP Mahua Moitra regarding alleged inducements to MPs, in which has drawn a sharp response from Sanjay Raut, who is now coming out to say that at least 15 crores is the amount that is now being paid in advance, especially to the MPs to jump ship. Now, amid the huddle, the rebel UBT faction MPs and the UBT camp, now what is being said that they will be holding a press briefing in some time from now. So there would be clarity exactly how the party is ready to face this another split that it seems to be now staring at, and it seems to be imminent, with the majority of the party MPs now camping in the national capital.
मुझे अफसोस है, मेरे देश के नेता इतने दुर्बल, इतने कमज़ोर, इतने लालची हो गए हैं कि अपनी आइडियोलॉजी छोड़ करके लालच में, डर में पार्टी छोड़ रहे हैं. गांधी जी की अगर आत्मा नाम की कोई चीज़ होगी, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर की अगर आत्मा नाम की कोई चीज़ होगी, तो आज खून के आंसू रोती होगी कि मैंने जिस देश का संविधान बनाया, मैंने जिस देश के लिए अपनी जान दिया, उस देश में आज खरीद फरोख्त में और डरा करके लोगों को की पार्टियां चेंज की जा रही हैं, लोगों का जो है आइडियोलॉजी चेंज की जा रही है. मैं ऐसे नेताओं का खुले अल्फाज में निंदा करना चाहता हूं जो रोजाना अपने बाप बदलते रहते हैं.
पूरा देश देख रहा है ऑपरेशन लोटस, ऑपरेशन टाइगर. ये तमाम वही लोग हैं जो हमको बी टीम बोलते थे. आज सब ने सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पे लोगों के वोट लिए और सबके सब जाके बीजेपी की झोली में जाके डाल दिए. अब कौन हुआ बीजेपी की बी टीम? हाँ, यही हुए ना जो कल तक आंख में काबा, दिल में मदीना गाया करते थे, पढ़ा करते थे. अब वो भी चले गए बीजेपी में. अब वहां जाके क्या करेंगे वो? अब वो वहां जाके मस्जिद के नीचे मंदिर घोचेंगे, मंदिर को ढूंढेंगे सब जगह जाके.
Well, political reactions continue to come in. So today the day is full of, press briefings and also huddles and meetings that would be taking place. And our reporters there will be keeping us updated on the developments in Mumbai and from Delhi. Thank you very much, Arunil, Richa and Kritika, for joining in. We head into a short break.